Dan and Adi welcome you to High Auto, a small and friendly business based near Derby in the Midlands. We pride ourselves on our high preparation standards, unbeatable value for money and fantastic customer service. Every vehicle we sell is HPI clear, receives a full and thorough independent inspection, has recently been serviced and MOT'd, and is also professionally valeted to an exceptional standard. We make buying your next car straightforward and stress-free. We can deliver your car with a 14-day money-back guarantee. Or why not visit us and buy your car in the traditional way? Every car comes with at least 6 months national warranty and breakdown cover for free. And unlike many other car sellers, we put the highest level of cover on your car that is possible, giving you great peace of mind. We are also partnered with Close Brothers Motor Finance and Evolution Funding, so we make financing your car quick and simple and offer very competitive interest rates. We also welcome Zuto and Car Finance 24/7 customers. Have you got a part exchange? Well, we offer the best possible price for your current car. Contact us today for a free valuation. At High Auto, we are confident we can provide you with a car that you'll love at a price you'll be delighted with. Visit our website today or call us on 01 332 58 5151. To start these, you put your foot on the clutch, press the engine start-stop button there. The car fired up very nicely, slipped into first gear very easily, so away we go. We do these test drive videos at High Auto to give you a feel for how the car drives, as well as to demonstrate that everything works as it should, to hopefully help you make a decision from the comfort of your own home. So the car pulled away very nicely there. Clutch and the gearbox feel good. The suspension's riding the bumps on this country road with ease. Just flashed up then that I need a new battery and the key, so I'll do that. By the way, this car does only come with one key. It's only come with one key to us. But if you do want another key, don't get it from Ford. There are plenty of key specialists that will do it for a lot less money. But anyway, this particular car has some nice specification on it. So the extras it's got is the appearance pack, which gives you the silver roof rails and the tinted rear glass. It's also got the 19-inch alloys, so they're the nicest looking alloys you can get on these titaniums, and I do think it sits really well on them. Got a really nice modern large touchscreen multimedia system. On there you've got your Bluetooth for your mobile phone hands-free, as well as for audio streaming. You've got DAB radio, as well as FM, AM, CD player, auxiliary input and USB port, so loads of different ways to connect all your different devices. Dual zone climate control down here, so passenger can have it at a different temperature to the driver. Plenty of power from this 2-litre diesel engine. This is a steep hill, wouldn't know it in this car. Heated front windscreen, fantastic for those icy mornings. Cruise control, automatic headlights, automatic windscreen wipers. Oh, and this one's also got reverse parking sensors, which isn't standard. So yeah, really lovely car, drives really nice, superb specification. Gonna make a lovely car for somebody. So there we are. Thank you for watching. I hope that's been useful for you. You take care and bye for now.